What is up everybody, welcome to a new video. In today's video I'll be playing Start Survey, and it's basically like this game about you have like this computer and it's just gonna ask a bunch of questions, then you can say no or yes. So let's just get started. A bottle. Ooh. You're having a nice day. It's fun making videos. I played Ultimate Battlegrounds and yeah, I have a pretty good day. Do you have many responsibilities? No. I don't know what that means, but okay. Look around for a moment. Are you familiar with your surroundings? No. Do you know where you are? No. Oh. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. Have you ever felt like somebody was in your room? Yes. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? Yeah. I don't really know about that, but do you believe there is a God? No. Are you scared of the darkness? Yeah. Are you answering this question out of free will? Yes. Are you certain? No. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real it was uh, hard to disguise it from reality? Yeah, I have. Do you have any phobias? Yeah. Do you feel comfortable in your room? Yeah. I don't know if it means like this game or if your eyes went out, would you be scared? Yeah. What the? Oh no. I wonder when you will die. Yeah. Have you cleaned off your desk lately? No. What's the folder on your desk? You are from Denmark. And that is true. How was it? No, I was about to say that. Yeah. Wait, how does it even know that? Do you have internet access? Yeah. Also, probably not be making this video right now. Do you have any enemies? I mean, kind of. Are you playing on mobile phone? You don't have a computer, notice all the fans stuff. Do you think often about death? No. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yeah. I don't know. You're alone? No. Maybe. You aren't alone. Did you check your room? Or you are living in a simulation? Kinda. Do you like accept being watched while answering this question? No. I don't know. Do you ever feel like you want to do something bad, even though you know it's wrong? No. If you screamed, would anybody hear you? You Are you scared of gunshots? I mean, yes, I have seen the news person. Yeah. I mean, no. Do you know who the person standing behind you is? That's me. I hate those kids. Are you alone? You just asked me that. Yeah, I'm alone. Relax. Take some time to relax. I'm relaxed. Are you relaxed? No. No. Are your feelings? Are your feelings real and not just programmed like a machine? We detected another device in your house. In case you are alone, See for her as soon as possible. I will call. Nah, I'm gonna keep doing it. Your feelings real and not just programmed like a machine. Mm, your feelings real, not just programmed like a machine. Oh, your feelings real, not just programmed like a machine. I don't know what that means. How am I supposed to answer that? But okay. Did you cry yesterday? No. Have you seen the person standing outside the window? Yeah, that's my neighbor. No. Is there a meaning to life? Yeah, I can see that. Have you ever felt like someone was watching you in your own house, when your own home? I mean, this is this isn't my own home, but like, yeah, kind of. Like when I try to go to sleep, I can never fall asleep because I always feel like someone is watching me. Do you know who you are yet? Yeah. Do you know what is happening? No. I don't know what's coming next and next. Have you ever heard strange or unexplained noises in your house at night? I have. Yeah, yeah, I actually have. Have you ever experienced sleep paralysis? No, I don't know. I don't think so. If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny it in hopes for a better answer? No, I don't really know. Um, totally, totally know that sucks. Yeah. What will have people think about you when they see what you have done? Totally not sucks. I haven't done anything. They'll think yes or no. No. When I ask you questions, is it is it really you answering? Yes. If I could prove to you that you are not sin, would you be shocked? Yeah. You want to know the truth? Yeah. Look out your window. There's nothing. I'm looking. I'm looking. Look around you. Look around you. This is the room that the computer, the house next door. None of this is real. I made this world. I made you. How did you make me? I've been trying to help you see it for what it is now. I finally done it. I can finally set you free. How much I already free, but okay. Free. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, someone just actually. Dude, wait, you working from this experience, you can donate by going to the game store or check your door. Someone actually just knocked. I swear to God, I just heard like the knocking sound. Wait, I swear to God, I literally just heard like knocking outside. Or like, not outside, but like outside my door. Oh no. What the? Oh, wait, there's nothing. Oh, that sounded just really weird. Bye, guys.